Hey guys, this is Mr. H again. I want to go to question number 4 and kind of show you what to do or how to do this. All right, so this one is basically trying to tell you the difference between correlation and causality. Basically, correlation just means that two things are kind of related. Causality means that one thing caused the other to happen. So the difference between correlation is two things may be closely correlated, but one doesn't cause the other. So let's look at these choices here. It says, which one of these shows a causal relationship? It says the more minutes an athlete is on the playing field, the more goals he scores. That's not a causality because sometimes you can be on the field for a long time and still not score. It says the more gasoline that you purchase at the pump, the more you pay. Now that one makes sense. When you go to most of you probably don't pump gas, but when you go to the gas, the more you pump, the higher your price is going to be because everything that you put into the tank or every time you press the pump, you have to pay more because you're using more gas. So the price is caused by how much you pump. So that is a causal relationship. So it's number 2. Now let's look at number 3. It says the longer a shopper stays at the mall, the more purchases she makes. Well, that's not true. Sometimes you're looking for something at the mall and you're going to all these stores, but you don't find anything. So there isn't a causality there. So even though you may stay a long time at the mall, you may not purchase anything. So those two are they're not a causal relationship. There probably is a correlation, but it's not a causal relationship. So let's look at the last one. It says, as the price of a gift increases, the size of the gift box increases. That's not a causal relationship because sometimes the more expensive a gift is, the smaller it is. For instance, if you go and buy a diamond ring, that diamond ring can cost thousands of dollars, but it's going to come in this very little box. So there's no causal relationship between the price and the size of the gift box. Sometimes the bigger the box, the more expensive it is, but it doesn't have to be that way. So it's not a causal relationship. So the answer for this would be number 2. The more gas you pump, the more you're going to pay. That is a causal relationship. So that's it. That's the difference between correlation and causality. Let me stop this and post it.